Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel. And today now one of view tab wheels in Excel, and we covered all tabs in Excel. This is the last view tab. So let's see, now we'll go for view tab. Okay, then first we'll see normal page. So this is, you can see workbook views. So how it's appear in the view, you can see that is workbook worksheet, how it's showing, you can be see there. First one is view of normal page, means it will be normal appearance will be the how you are using now. And page break preview, so you can see here when you click the page break preview, so it will be some kind of different page breaks will be show you. And next comes here a page layout. Okay, when you click a page layout, so it will make the partition of this page, this one page different, this page different. Okay, how many page you already open, so it will be show the page has been layout. So somewhat layout like designing, so somewhat partition it will show you. Okay, this is about the page views. If you want to see, go again, normal you can go. So workbook is only for appearance will be there, how it's look. Okay, like we have seen in word also same page views here also. And you can see here this next option comes show. You can see here first is a ruler. When ruler is active, okay, rel default we kept active. So this you can see here formula bar. Okay, if you want to write any formula, it will be appearance. This is called, you can say, formula bar. I written some, it's showing here this one. This is formula bar. If you want to be active, that either you can active, otherwise you can be untick the formula bar, it will go it. And guidelines, you can see some small checks are there in Excel sheet. If you don't want, then you click here, it will just look the plain. Okay, that is guidelines. If you don't want guidelines, you can be untick, otherwise you can be tick it. And it comes next here heading. Like heading, you can see A B C 1 2 3 serial numbers, and here column is A B C, it is coming, that is called headings. Okay, if you don't want headings, you can be untick. So these are the settings of show appearance. Okay, show appearance settings will be there, page shows and settings, and this is the guidelines, these are things. And next comes here zoom. You know already, just to click here zoom, how many percentage you want, you can be take custom now 175. If you want 100%, you can take, click ok, it will be change it. Okay, percentage was also you can be take the zoom. Okay, you want 50%, you can take it. Okay, so how much you want, you can be zoom it this one. Okay, otherwise you can use for control mouse roller also you can use. So you can see if I rolling, it will be increasing, you have to press the control and decreasing also. So this is for zoom selection. Okay, zoom selection as also here you can see here, it's coming on, just to click here, zoom selection will go on. Okay, sometime when you explain the video that when you want zoom, so you no need to use any tricks. Okay, just to click here zoom selection, okay, it will come the big one zoom. Okay, this is about the zoom settings. Okay, so you can be used as zoom options. And next comes here windows. Okay, if already it's windows is there, already you want one more new window, just to click here, new window will be come here. Okay, you can see we have only two or three are there. If you want one more, I will take here, that I will go here new window, it will come the four windows. You can see when I click here, four windows are appearing. Okay, this is like if you want to be new windows, you can be take, same content will be there, you can be take. And next comes here arrange. If you want to arrange the windows, you can be arrange, just to click here arrange. Okay, horizontal, tiled, vertical. So I'm clicking vertical. So all 1 2 3 4 is arranged in vertical. Okay, if you want to tile will come. If you want to different how you want, you can be take it. Okay, just I'm imaging this all. See, now you want to be arranged in different way. Tiled is there, horizontal you want, you can take click horizontal, all will become in horizontal way. Okay, so which kind of you want to, how you want to be arranged, you can be arrange the windows. Okay, that is Excel arranging, depend upon you, you can be arrange. And tiled also you can arrange. Okay, cascade also you can arrange. Okay, depend upon your, you can be arrange the views. So sometime what happens when you working multiple work, or same you want to be used, like I will write here tiled. Okay, suppose I want to be work in the both copy, see up and down, where it's active. Okay, see, front is there, this one also is there. I want to be copy from upside. Okay, then what happened, same whatever I'm typing here I want to type here. You can see it will be there upside also, and even you can also be used as a, this one you can be used. Okay, that is for the option is available in the course. So that is very useful. It will help you to be how to be get content from top, and you can use the down also. Okay, that is for arranging. And freeze pans says if you want to be keep a headings, suppose heading tiles will be there, headings will be like the serial number, that one will be there, that you can be freeze. See, suppose here my list is there. Okay, I want to be check the list of that one continuously. Okay, see this is my list. If I want to be go there, okay, it's going with heading also, this title serial number. Okay, I want to keep that freeze pane. Freeze pane is you click here. Okay, when you click here, if you see, you can, if you move also, what happened, that upside is not moving. So like this you can be make the freeze pane, only selected area will be there. Okay, which area you have selected, that will be the freeze pane. Okay, you can be go for heading, or you can be for another things also, you can be go for freeze pane. I'll depot here freeze pane now. Okay, if you want to freeze pane, just you escape, just you take serial number as a screen pane, because for you want to show heading has to be appearance. Okay, then you can see, if you make also it will go, and I will make freeze pane this one. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I kept cursor here. So this is about the freeze pane. You can, if you want to split that area, you can be split here. Okay, you can make 4 sections here. You can see here, this section different, this section different, this section different. Okay, water work here, you can be see you can see here, this section is different and this section is different. That is called split. If you want to hide, you can be select and hide it. Okay, this one you want to hide, you can be go and hide. Okay, like this you can be use the hide option also. Okay, freeze pane hide option you can use in the views. And next comes here side by side. If you want to be view the side by side, you can be click here. Okay, worksheet. Okay, book, anyone worksheet I'll take here. Okay, you can see here side by side. Vertical also you can check here. If you want vertical, you can do like this. Okay, if you want to be, so you can make vertical from this side to this side. Okay, okay, sometimes it will come horizontal and vertical, you have to arrange. Okay, see, you can see both will be here, and say you can see both side, you can be work. Okay, that is side by side you can be use. Okay, see, if you want one content here from, you want to copy here, you can be type. Okay, that is for the both side you can be users. Okay, I have deleted. Okay, next comes here in views, and switch window. If you want to be click switch window from here, directly you can open here. We have 2 books are there, you can see. If you want this one also you can open, or if you want another also, book also you can open. This is one kind of this one. Okay, you can open switch though both. And we'll see here in the macro. Macro is one of just how to be once simple I'll take here. Okay, macro, see, if you just recording will be there, just you go macro and click here record macro. When you start record macro, you have to give one short key. You have to file number, you can be micro name you can give, and control plus any shortcut we, I'll key at W. Okay, I'll make click. Okay, then start micro. So I'll write here Sai Techno. Okay, I write here Sai Techno. Okay, I want to be change square, so I'll make some more font style, that one, this one. Okay, it's going on, recording is going on. Okay, I'll change the font styles. Okay, this if you want to, wherever you want, see, suppose I want here or down of this paper, just you have to click here control W. Okay, when sorry, you have to stop the record. Okay, when I stop record, so this is a record, I have to be stop the record. Okay, click stop recording. Okay, when I stop recording, see, if I want this one here, I can use control W. You can see I kept the site techno here. Okay, control W, so automatically it will be copied. So like this, if you have any content and signature forms are there, you can use as a macro. So I hope you understand well. So still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and you can watch all videos related to computer science.